Hey guys, welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about compact SUVs set to hit the streets in 2026, the all-new Mahindra KUV100. A name you may already know, but trust me, what Mahindra has planned this time is a whole new level. Now, let's get one thing straight, the KUV100 has always been about blending SUV attitude with compact practicality. But in 2026, Mahindra is going bolder. This updated version doesn't just get a facelift, it gets a full personality upgrade. Let's talk about the exterior. Mahindra has gone sharper, sleeker, and much more aggressive. The front grille now sports a more modern design, wider, with a new mesh pattern and that signature Mahindra Twin Peaks logo sitting confidently at the center. The LED DRLs are sharper and almost piercing in their look, flanking a redesigned set of projector headlamps that give the KUV100 a fierce urban-ready presence. From the side, it keeps that micro SUV silhouette, but adds new alloy wheels with a geometric cut, updated ORVMs with integrated indicators, and bold character lines that add depth to its compact body. The rear features a reworked tailgate, new split LED taillamps, and a chunkier bumper with faux skid plates to emphasize its rugged charm. Under the hood, Mahindra is expected to offer the new KUV100 with both petrol and electric variants. Yes, an all-electric version is finally on the table. The ICE variant will likely be powered by a 1.2 Lm Falcon engine, refined for better mileage and smoother torque delivery. And if you're interested in the EV, rumors point to a 30-35 kWh battery pack, with a real-world range of around 250 to 300 km. Not bad for a city-centric micro SUV. Step inside, and this is where things start feeling premium. The 2026 KUV100 gets a redesigned cabin with a new layered dashboard, a floating 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and digital instrument cluster. There's wireless charging, connected car tech, and even ambient lighting, features that were once reserved for higher segments. Seating remains a strong point. The KUV100 has always surprised with how much space it packs in a small footprint, and Mahindra continues that tradition with more ergonomic seats, better cushioning, and improved rear legroom. You'll also notice new interior trims, dual-tone options, satin chrome finishes, and soft-touch plastics that make this cabin feel much more upmarket. When it comes to safety, Mahindra isn't cutting corners. The new KUV100 is expected to offer 6 airbags on higher trims, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, hill hold assist, and even especially for the EV variant. There's talk of it being built on Mahindra's new safety-compliant platform, possibly targeting 4-star crash safety ratings. Driving dynamics. Expect a refined suspension setup tuned for Indian roads, with a more responsive steering system and reduced cabin noise thanks to better NVH insulation. The electric version in particular will deliver instant torque and a smoother, quieter ride, perfect for navigating crowded cityscapes. And what about pricing? While Mahindra hasn't officially announced it yet, sources suggest the ICE version will start around 6.5 lakh rupees, while the electric variant could be priced between Rupee 10 to 12 lakhs, depending on the battery size and features. That places it right in the sweet spot for first-time SUV buyers, young families, and even city commuters looking for a more eco-friendly ride. Now here's something that might surprise you, the new KUV100 isn't just for India. Mahindra has been testing it on global platforms, and it's likely that the EV variant especially could be positioned for markets in Africa, Southeast Asia, and even parts of Europe. That means more global styling, better quality control, and possibly more tech packed in. Overall, the 2026 Mahindra KUV100 is not just a cosmetic update, it's a complete rethinking of what a micro SUV can be. Whether you want a punchy petrol performer or a quiet, futuristic EV, the KUV100 might just give you both, without burning a hole in your pocket. So, would you buy it? Are you Team ICE or Team EV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's talk about whether Mahindra just redefined the budget SUV segment. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more real-world car insights, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Dream Cars, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and keep chasing those wheels.